Most singers are already doing things right. You're warming up, you're using scales, you're putting in the time, and simple scales, when done correctly, are incredibly valuable. They build stability, awareness, positive muscle memory. But at a certain point, progress slows. Not because you're doing anything wrong, it's because your voice has adapted. So today, I'm going to show you how to upscale your scales. I'm Darcy D, your virtual voice coach, and I'm going to show you how to take what you're already doing with your vocal exercises and build more coordination, dexterity, and control into them. One of the reasons why progress slows even when you're doing everything right is that, simply put, scales work, but they do something specific. They build consistency. And consistency is the foundation, but coordination is what creates growth. So if you stay only in simple patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, your voice becomes comfortable, predictable, efficient, and that's good. But eventually it stops being challenged. So I always say, you have to learn the exercise first, and then the exercise does what it's designed to do. Your voice improves when it has to adapt, not just repeat. So we learn the exercise does what it's designed to do, and then we need another challenge. So what does it mean to upscale your scales? Upscaling your scales means we're keeping the foundation, but we're increasing the coordination demand. We're not replacing simple scales, we're building on top of them. Simple scales build muscle memory. Expanded patterns build coordination and dexterity. And what we're going to do today is part of what I call the series coordination method. It's a structured way of progressing from simple patterns into expanded movement, into real coordination. We're going to be mixing up the note order of the scales, expanding the intervals, increasing the movement, and it's going to require real-time adjustment. So building coordination with series scales, we're going to move step by step. Each level builds on the last. If we were to look at what the scales we normally do, for example, the 5-tone scale, right? So we have even tone, we have smooth airflow when we do these scales. You can do it on your warm-up sounds. So there it is, even tone, smooth airflow, relaxed control. We start adding vocables like mum 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 based on your voice type. We do the scales that are going to influence growth needed for our voice. So this is where we build consistency. We repeat that scale, we move it through our register until we get to a point where we're being challenged, and then we have to augment how we do the scale. But when it gets to that point where boredom sets in and you're effectively doing the scale, we have to change it up. So we have the typical 5-tone, and then we have what's called the 1, 3, 5, 8, or the octave scale. And the focus of this is to clean jumps, smooth intervals. There's no reaching. We have balanced tone, and then we can start building the spacing and the coordination of that scale. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and we move that up or down the scale. Then we move to full scale movement, where we want to do the pattern of the major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or do, re, mi, as it may be for you. But this scale now covers all the notes of the octave in the major scale pattern, and the focus is register transitions. We get evenness across the range, control top to bottom. So now your voice has to stay consistent through change. Okay, the new series scale, I call this the coordination builder. We're going to what we call the step series ascending scale. Now, All of these are in the app, and the first one looks like this. So it's the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we do it in steps of 3. So it might sound like and we're just touching 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. There's a continuous adjustment. We're staying organized. There's no drop in coordination between notes. Now we're building dexterity, not just stability. So on the, for example, mum, 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 mum. We're going to do mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. And so on and so forth. It's going to move. You know, I've designed the scales for male and female singers, and to work through the transition, but not terribly high into head voice, just enough to learn the scale. So then that would be the first one is the step series ascending, because the scale moves up. And pattern 2 is the step series, you guessed it, descending. So it's 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. So in this, the focus is precision and control through unpredictability. We get real-time coordination, might sound like this. And it's going to move up and down, and you get a full workout of that coordination. From there, we're going to move to the next one, which is the flow series control and balance. We're going to run the 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Like this. So it's a simple scale, it's stable, and it's active, and the advanced pattern is challenging because we're going to link everything together. This is where your voice becomes more responsive, more flexible, and hopefully more reliable. It's a continuous flow. And it's probably better when you're learning this to do the ascending first, the descending second, and then think of it in sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you could do it on a non-articulate. And then it's going to move up, and it's going to come back down. The key here, the important thing to do is not miss any notes. So it's designed so you can speed it up and slow it down, right? So this becomes something that you'll do over time, as slow as you have to commit to muscle memory. After we do that, we're going to move on to the flow series. This is the continuous. This one is 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Might sound like this. So this, again, we're mixing up that 5-tone scale. We're adding different coordinations, which proves to encourage dexterity and give us growth. I encourage you to learn these through the series, starting with the ascending, the descending, the continuous, and then the intervals. And lastly, this is the one, the interval series, the coordination builder. And this one is going to be a challenge. It's going to take you a little while, if you've never done this before, to secure the intervals of this pattern. So again, starting slow. Then it'll move. it'll go up and it'll come back down again as slow as necessary to build the coordination, to secure the muscle memory for active pitch and smooth transition. And that's what we want to do. And this is the last one in the series that I'm adding to the app. So yeah, we begin with the simple scales. We learn and memorize how it feels and sounds when it's correct. That produces positive muscle memory, and we build on them. You have to ask yourself while you're doing this, am I consistent? Can I handle the movement? Can I adapt between the notes? Are the intervals correct? So we're not just practicing scales, we're developing the coordination within them. These types of exercises and this full progression are built directly into the Virtual Voice Coach app. So you're not guessing what to do next. You're following a structured system for all voice types within the app. And within the app, you can alter the speed of the scales to challenge your coordination and build dexterity. And it's available in both audio and video tracks should you want to follow the notes on the piano. I'll show you what this looks like for those of you that are here with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just introducing some new scales that I've added to the app. A lot of my users are saying, I'm getting bored with the scales. I've learned this and that. And so we're taking, the fundamentals of the basic scale and we're adding the dexterity and the coordination building aspect to it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to catch all my content and share this so other singers can find this. It's always appreciated. You can upscale your scales, your voice will follow, and you'll learn to sing for yourself.